Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm gonna answer the question, is Nexus Rewards a scam? Alright, now you hit the word scam get thrown around a lot whenever you're talking about making money online or starting an online business and all that good stuff. So Nexus Rewards, what's the deal with it? Alright, so first of all, Nexus Rewards is a cash back referral program. Pretty much you get paid for referring people to the Nexus Rewards company, and when you refer these people, you're referring them to join a company that can they provide cash back app opportunities. Okay, now some of the apps in the Nexus Rewards, they're free and all that good stuff to the public, but then as a Nexus Rewards member, they give you access to more discounts and savings and different apps. All right, so that is what Nexus Rewards is. All right, so is it a scam? And I'm gonna keep it real. No, it's not. All right, it's pretty new in my opinion. I just signed up with Nexus Rewards about 3 weeks ago, and I'm seeing more and more people join Nexus Rewards every day. All right, and I actually start using this opportunity because when you join Nexus Rewards, you can actually start for free. That's another reason why, if you're watching this video, you're looking for some extra money, right? Sign up. Like, it's free to get started with it. Just see for yourself what it's about. Like, don't even take my word for it or watch other people's videos. Like, check it out for yourself. That's the only way you'll actually really know what something is about, until you check it out for yourself. So it's free to sign up, link in the description, obviously. But anyway, when you sign up, even as a free member, you get the opportunity to check out a couple of the apps that they recommend that you check out for getting cash back and everything every time you shop. So I already made a $30 I already got a $30 cashback opportunity from one of the apps inside of Nexus Rewards, and I start using another app called Fetch inside of Nexus Rewards that I heard about through Nexus Rewards. And what you do is, every time you scan a receipt, every time you go shopping, all you do is scan a receipt, all right, and you earn these points. Now once you get points added up, you keep accumulating points, you can actually redeem them points for like PayPal cash or gifts or whatever you want to do. So I did both so far, right? I scanned my first receipt with the Fetch app, and I already got a $30 cashback opportunity from another app. Plus there's other apps inside of Nexus Rewards that you can start saving and getting cash back on. So when people question, if you're questioning like, is it a scam? Like, where would the scam be actually, right? Because when you join Nexus Rewards, you get a $10 a month recurring commission. All right, so the only part of it that can be a scam per se is if people would be like, wait, they didn't pay me, I got some referrals and I didn't get paid for them, right? Then that would be a scam. Now just say that were to happen, just say that was the case. Like, if you referred your friend to Nexus Rewards and they upgraded, right? Or you referred 5-10 people and they didn't, and Nexus Rewards didn't pay you, because they pay out every Friday, their referral things, whatever. If they don't pay you after you got a sign up, you quit. No questions asked. You stop. Because to be honest with you, any of these opportunities out here, any of them can just not pay you, right? A big Walmart can turn around and be like, yo, we're not going to pay you for your commissions. Anybody can do that, right? It's your job to look at the situation, and with anything, that's just like if your employer don't pay you, you need to take it up with them or quit if you need to, right? But I mean, guys, like, that's as simple as it is. If they don't pay you a commission, pitch a bitch about it, right? You know what I'm saying? Email the company, make a YouTube video, post it, because no company wants a bad rep, right? So the only way this could be a scam to you is if you go out there and you start getting referrals to build up your business, right? Because you're like, yo, I want that recurring income. If you get, you know, your friend, like I said, you do your marketing on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you do, and you generate a referral and they don't pay you, let them know about it and quit and move on, right? Other than that, like, this is a great opportunity, right? So far, so good. All right. Like the apps, I've already generated money from it. I'm building my actual team, right, of referrals, making recurring income. That's what I'm trying to do and build up, because this opportunity is super dope. All right. And why I like Nexus Rewards is because it's so easy to promote. All right, so if this is something that you've been on the fence about and you've been wondering, like, yo, should I sign up with Nexus Rewards? Is it real? Can I really make money? Blah, blah, blah. Listen, it is real. All right, so if you want to join my team, you can do so by, of course, clicking the link in the description. But the cool thing is, once you sign up, I will personally reach out to you and help you get started. But this is super easy, guys. You'll definitely enjoy this, and you can actually build a nice monthly recurring income. All right, so check out the link in the description, and I will see you on the team.